welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we're coming to you again from my home studio out of my very own Casa Davis. So we wanted to talk to you a little bit today about what I would call time plus attention equals growth. What I got right here is a very old watercolor that I did a long time ago, but it's kind of an interesting piece because it has an unusual history that stretches way past when I actually did this painting. This was a piece that I did back in like 1999, but what was interesting about it is that I actually attempted this when I was 14 years old, and it didn't go great. It was a big flop. It was a gigantic flop. But what I wanted to show you was when I was going through some stuff last couple days, I found this, and it's got a whole bunch of old stuff of mine in it, and I wanted to show you this. I actually have the first time I tried this. This is when I was 14 years old. I didn't have good materials. I didn't have much of anything. This is on cruddy copy paper, you know, and stuff like this. But this was one of two pieces. I don't know where the other piece went, but this was my first attempt when I was like 14 years old, and you can see that it's bled and all that kind of stuff since. But I think what's important to acknowledge in that is that if it's meaningful to you, it's worth another try. It's worth your time and attention to give it a shot, and give it another shot, and give it another shot if you feel like you need to. But time and considered attention and practice and patience and all those things add up. And that's what gets you to your goal and your, ultimately your finish line. So whether it's starting on a piece of crappy copy paper, you'll get there. Just keep trying and just keep practicing, and as long as you are patient with yourself and enjoy what you're doing, you'll be just fine. So just keep in mind, time and attention equals growth, and we'll hope that you will enjoy the process and enjoy the final result as well.